Apple was bringing the heat to this news cycle with a mix of regulatory drama, financial insights, shareholder optimism, and a dash of pricing updates for its services. Let's break it down. First off, Apple shares were feeling a bit under the weather, dipping due to potential legal rumblings coming from China. Chinese antitrust officials are reportedly preparing to scrutinize Apple's App Store practices, focusing on those all-important fees and payment services. It's not just an isolated spat. These talks apparently intertwined with trade tensions piqued by US-China tariff shenanigans. Imagine this like the tech equivalent of a dramatic soap opera, where Apple's narrative takes an unexpected twist. Regulators believe Apple might be playing hardball with high fees and anti-competitive practices. This isn't the first time they've clashed with a regulatory body. The European Union recently gave Apple a financial slap on the wrist to the tune of over $1.8 billion for similar issues. So while Apple navigates the tightrope of international tech Titanic, its stock took a humble stumble today. Transitioning to the fiscal examination vibes, Apple was under the financial microscope, showcasing its robust yet challenging financial landscape. Despite having mammoth sales numbers, it's facing a bit of a slowdown in revenue growth, contrasted by its sky-high profitability metrics and towering return on equity. Industry analysts point out that this indicates solid financial health, but also underlines room for improvement in terms of breaking the revenue stagnation shackles and getting growth more in sync with broader industry trends. Amidst these elsewhere woes, on the lighter side, we've got an optimistic analyst on Wall Street bullish on Apple like it's the next Jurassic Park blockbuster. He pegged the stock for growth, setting a tantalizing target of $260 per share. Driving this optimism is Apple's potential sunbathing in markets emerging with untapped enthusiasm for its products and the golden glow of its services revenue, which has shown notable upwards trots. So between dodging price hikes and charging into new consumer bases, Apple's got a battle plan. But before we wrap up, let's delve briefly into Apple's latest move in the world of product services. They announced a small price bump for AppleCare Plus monthly subscriptions across the US. Adieu to the upfront purchase option in stores, a transition that rings till the cash registers hum with subscriptions. This reimagined payment model draws both enthusiasm and groans, with price changes minor, but worth noting for consumers keeping an eye on their tech support budgets. So while Apple juggles impending probes, fiscal fortunes, investor hopes, and restructured product packages, their day in the news was indeed a multifaceted reflection of their high-stakes role as the reigning titan in technology. As always, Apple's journey in integrating hardware, software, and financial fortitude remains a key narrative worth watching. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.